My name is Melissa Trimmer. I'm the corporate executive chef here at Dawn Foods. Today we're going to decorate an Earth Day cake. This super delicious cake has been made with Baker's Request Devil's Food. You can see I've got 3 levels here. It's been filled with raspberry filling. I've stacked and crumb coated it with our white buttercream, and I'm really just going to show you the decorating techniques today. Let's get started on smooth icing. We're going to start with light blue and put more buttercream on the cake than we need. Next, we'll gently press it down and around the cake. A little more buttercream for the sides. Once I've laid on too much buttercream, I'm going to pause, and when I finish smooth icing, instead of putting this buttercream into that bowl, I'm going to switch out and use an empty bowl. I do that just in case any crumbs might come through. That way I don't cross-contaminate the buttercream in the bowl. We'll level the top out again. And now we use hot water to help us ice the sides and keep them clean and neat. It's important to make sure to dry off the spatula in between so you don't add water on the cake. Once the sides are done, we'll clean up the bottom and then hit the top edge. And the cake is smooth iced. So as I start to decorate, I have light green icing with a straight tip. So I'm going to start more or less with South America and bring it down, but remember, this is a creative take on a globe. It's okay to not be exactly right. And when you get to the edge, go ahead and bring it right on down. Kind of do the edge of the US here, and we'll go to kind of Africa here-ish, or maybe that's Eurasia. Do one of the poles here, something else here. We'll call that a day. So now we'll go ahead and fill in with the buttercream lightly, because we'll end up swirling it with a spatula as well. Once green has been laid in, we'll use a spatula to slightly soften. Going to switch to a needle nose. It'll be easier to work with. And again, maps are textured or globes are textured, so we're not looking for perfectly straight, we're looking for a texture. So once I get it all kind of filled in with green, I'm going to go back in and swirl it as if it was a landmass. This way it feels intentional on the design. You'll notice that this buttercream is soft and pliable enough to pipe and kind of spread with, but still holds its shape. One thing that many decorators have found is that what takes longer than decorating the cake is making and coloring the piping bags for the colored buttercreams in the cake. We have a full line of colored buttercreams to take that stress off your plate so you can get to your favorite part, decorating. Once the green and blue are on, we're going to put the Earth Day message on. Love your mother, because it's all about Earth Day and loving the earth. We've got white buttercream and red buttercream. I'm actually going to start with the red because my heart is going to be right in the middle, and I want to make sure that it's in the right spot. So my heart, and now I'll do love. When thinking about how to space those longer words, pause and figure out how many letters there are, and then start from the middle and work your way out. In this way, they'll be centered in the cake. I'm looking for mother, right? M-O-T-H-E-R, so you'll see me counting that, that's 6. So we are going to start with the middle 2, T-H. So if we start with the T-H in the center of the cake, we can go back and do the M-O and then the E-R, and then it'll be centered. And there you have it, Earth Day cake. For more cake inspiration, visit us at dawnfoods.com.